Hey guys, I received several requests to create a tutorial on how to tie the rose knot. I believe there are several different ways to tie this knot. Here are a few that I've used. The first and second methods use the same technique. I will tie a small and large rose knot by twisting the string and creating a loop. The third method uses another technique to create the knot. Let's get started. Using the two strands on the left, fold them in half and twist them together. Make a loop with the twisted strands and then bring the ends behind and through the middle of the loop. Adjust the knot so that it hangs straight. Use the same technique but use 4 strands this time to create a bigger rose knot. For the third technique, start by creating a berry knot by tying 6 alternating half square knots or 3 alternating square knots. Grab the 2 middle strands and bring them through the middle of your work at the top. Tie a square knot or 2 alternating half square knots to hold the berry knot in place. Grab 2 strands and twist them around the other 2 strands. Wrap the 4 strands around your berry knot and tuck them through the side of the loop. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be helpful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.